They're tiny, they're relentless, and they may be hiding in your home right now. But there's more to fleas than just itchy bites. These little vampires have shaped history, carried plagues, and have secrets that even scientists are still uncovering. Welcome back. I'm your favorite insect nerd, and today we're diving deep into the secret life of one of the most hated creatures on Earth, the flea. Spoiler alert, by the end of this video, you might respect fleas, even if you still want to squash them. Fleas are wingless parasitic insects, part of the order Siphonaptera. There are over 2,500 species, and nearly all of them feed on blood from mammals and birds. They evolved about 60 million years ago, likely feeding on small mammals after the dinosaurs vanished. Their entire body is designed for stealth and survival, a flat shape to sneak between hairs, backward-pointing spines for grip, and a mouth like a straw, but filled with saliva that numbs your skin while they drink your blood. Creepy? Yes. Genius? Also yes. Let's talk about their superpower. Fleas can jump over 200 times their body length. If you could jump like a flea, you'd leap over a skyscraper. They do this with a springy protein called resilin. It's basically organic rubber. No muscles, just pure physics. They compress like a slingshot, then release. They also have specialized sensors that detect body heat, carbon dioxide, and vibrations from movement. That's how they know you, or your pet, are nearby. They don't fly, they ambush. Here's where things get terrifying. Fleas were the primary carriers of the bubonic plague, which wiped out up to 200 million people in the 14th century. They picked up the plague bacterium from rats and passed it on to humans through their bites. Even today, plague still exists, especially in rural areas of the United States, Asia, and Africa. But it doesn't end there. Fleas can also transmit murine typhus, cat scratch disease, and parasites like tapeworms. And they're evolving fast. Some flea populations are developing resistance to pesticides. That means they're becoming harder to kill, even in controlled environments. Now here's the part that might surprise you. Fleas aren't all bad. In fact, they play a role in keeping ecosystems in balance. Fleas help regulate wild animal populations. Sick or weak animals are more likely to be infested, which naturally controls overpopulation. Their presence pushes predators and prey to evolve better grooming behaviors, boosting survival across the food chain. In science, they've been studied for elastic energy storage, locomotion physics, and potential designs for micro-robotics. And in ancient times, flea infestations inspired better hygiene standards, sanitation practices, and scientific research into disease transmission. They were, unintentionally, part of human medical evolution. So, are fleas monsters? Or misunderstood micro-predators? The truth is, they're both. A symbol of pain and plague, but also a marvel of engineering, evolution, and survival. They've changed human history. They've outlived empires. And despite their size, they still impact your life, whether you see them or not. So next time you feel a sudden itch, you might just be scratching at a million years of evolution. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What's the creepiest insect you want us to cover next?